Today's project is to create a website using Google's Sites feature that they offer. Google Sites is available on the menu bar up here where I'm highlighting it right now. We're going to click on that button, and that's going to take us to a new screen where we can go ahead and get started with creating our site. First, you'll see a listing of different sites that I've already created as the owner of this account. But also at the bottom you'll see browse sites within jpsonline.org. If you click on that, you'll see a listing of all kinds of websites that have been created by staff members at JPS. But for today we just want to create a new site, and so that means we just simply have to click on this button here called Create New Site. So go ahead and do that, and it will take us to a new screen. Here we're going to have to give the website a name. I would recommend something very simple such as your last name. For today's purposes, I'm just going to call mine Temporary because I'll be deleting the site later on. But you again would probably just want to use your last name, or first initial and last name is a good way to go. Also under site categories, I'm going to recommend that you put Jenison down there as one of the words to distinguish your website. You can put junior high as well, separated by a comma. That might help, and that simply helps distinguish some of the ways that people can search for your website. So that being done, I'm going to scroll down to the bottom here, and we're going to leave everything else as a default, and we're just going to click on Create Site. Once we click on that button, we'll be taken to the home screen for our new website. This is where we'll do some editing in just a few minutes, but for now we have created our site. It is called Temporary. That's where we gave it that name. You might be showing your last name, but we've done our job and created our site. We'll get to more in just a few minutes.